So I was having kind of a rough day today and worked a little bit late, but it's just not been a good couple days for me. Just nothing major, just some life stuff. And I've been talking to a friend of mine that I've known for a long time that I used to work with, and his name's Josh Jenigas. And today I got home and I was surprised with this box full of stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, I started unpacking it and I was amazed at like how much stuff he gave me. And I kind of just stopped, packed a couple of things back in here. I didn't get very far in there, and I wanted to unbox this to show you guys the amazing work that this guy does and just the craftsmanship. And I'm just so thankful to have him as a friend and a brother. So with that said, these are the things that I came home to today that just made me just smile. Thank you, Josh. Josh does screen printing. Very talented guy, but he does a lot of screen printing out of his house. And so his company is Two Sparrows Co. He does shirts and you'll see all the stuff that he gave me here. Go check him out on his Instagram, which is at Two Sparrows Company. I'll show this stuff in the down below. I'm a little overwhelmed, guys. This is just something great to come home to. His website's www.twosparrows.co. So please check him out. Great stuff here. So I lived in Cleveland, Ohio, and met Josh, and so a lot of his stuff is Ohio themed, which is kind of near and dear to my heart. I'm from Georgia, but my daughter was born up there, and so she's an Ohio girl, and so I still have that connection there, even though I haven't been in a while. Check out these little sketch notepad guys that he does. Look at that artwork there. These are made from beer boxes, and he screen prints right on there. It's amazing. So I got this skull guy here, and then this dude here, which is awesome. Another local Ohio beer company. Very cool stuff. Check out these koozies. His logo on the back. Got two of these guys, two of these skulls. Isn't that amazing? These are awesome. And these guys here, two of those. It's just beautiful. These are little paper airplanes, if you can't see that. It's amazing, really beautiful. A bottle opener, nobody can have enough of those. I sit out here in the garage and work a lot, and wow, like I'll use this all. This will be sitting on my table right here. It's good quality, and I'm pretty sure he made this. It's amazing. Josh, I'm overwhelmed at what you gave me. It's incredible. Ohio Ducky sticker. And look what he did for me. He printed me some Trav Squatch logo stickers. Is that not amazing or what? Got the white clear ones and then some black ones. That's amazing. I'm overwhelmed, Josh. That's so awesome, man. And so we had a girl that worked with us named Beth, and I used to make names up, all in good fun. We all eat lunch together, and I came up with the name Beth Metal once. And so Josh made it into a shirt, Beth Metal. It's so awesome. Check out this guy. Just awesome craftsmanship. That dude's incredible. I love that guy. I'm gonna get rid of all my clothes now and just wear this stuff. Look at that guy. Incredible. Lake Fire Swim Club. For those of you who may not know, Lake Erie up by Cleveland caught on fire a long time ago, and it's not the cleanest lake. Some of this I haven't gotten to. Cool Dad Club. That's awesome. Check this out. Trav Squatch t-shirt. Isn't that awesome? That's so awesome. Thanks. Got a couple of these in different colors. Look at that. So thankful. Guys, it's good to have friends. Look at that. So much love put into these. For real. Most of you probably don't know what this is. These are abrasive cups for a little pencil sharpener that makes its appearance in my videos. Josh heard that, my wife said he heard that the cups might not be sounding so good anymore, so they have a little like sandpaper type thing in them, and so he gave me this. It's awesome. And this sweatshirt, look at this sweatshirt. Hoodie. Ohio. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And then Adventure Awaits Ohio bag. That's amazing. I thank you so much, Josh. It means a lot to me, guys. Please check him out. Give him some love. Maybe buy some stuff. Follow him. Give him some likes. I'm completely overwhelmed by this, and thank you, Josh, from the bottom of my heart. I can't say it enough. Thank you.